Hello traders, welcome back to BloomFX Signals. Today we started a new day. Now let's see the calendar. Today all day we have the red flag for the USD, the presidential election. So don't trade the USD pairs, please. And still we have here news on New Zealand and employment rate. So also this pair I don't recommend to be trade. Let's see what EJ has for us. It went up from the morning and now it's like rejecting this area at 672. Let's see if the price will come back here at 500 to make a retest. I am waiting for the price to create a support and then the price continue to go up. It may come down, yes, again to this area, or maybe it's gonna push straight up. Let's wait and see. I'm watching on the 15-minute, maybe here is trying to create a minor support. So we have to wait also for this 15-minute because we still have 1 minute for this 15-minute candle to close. So for a moment we have just a very weak confirmation that we can go up. It may come down to 500 to make a retest, maybe create a support, and then the price to push up. This 15-minute just started, and it looks like it's rejecting this area. And if you can look on the left side, here we have like a range zone. So maybe that's why the price it's rejecting from here. Okay, let's go to Euro USD. It's kind of doing the same thing here, rejecting this area. I told you I'm not trading USD pairs until this election will finish and the market will be cleaner. Also, don't forget that if we look on the calendar, on the Friday, on the 6th of November, we have NFP, and it's a very strong news. That means that the market will be very volatile, and all the pairs with the USD, they will move a lot, maybe create spikes. We don't know, so that's why I don't want to trade. We have these little, let's say, two problems: elections and the NFP. Okay, UJ for me, maybe it's gonna come up to 104,871 in on this area. If you look the price, it's just ranging here, created like a fake out and then came back again in this range. We have a range with almost 20 pips range, but I'm sure that the price will come to hit 870. Euro AUD is trying to break this zone at 64,138. Let's check on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. If on the 1 hour the candle will close under this support, then the price it may continue to go down to tap this zone at 63354. So who is trading Euro AUD, just look if the price will close under this support. If not, then the price will come back up, make a retest, and maybe to continue to go down. Let's check on the 1 hour. For this one, maybe it's gonna tap again this zone at 7028. Then if it's not gonna break it, but I don't think it's gonna break it, then from here it can be a buy to retest again this area, and maybe the price to continue to go up at 300. Yes, definitely this one it may go up. Euro GBP, this one, let me delete everything. This one I don't like it now because it's like ranging, and I am waiting for the price to break either up or down. This is on the 1 hour. Let's see 4 hour. 4 hour, the price is trying to create here support, but in the same time the price is rejected from the upside. Yeah, the price it may continue to go down to retest again this area where you see that we have the wicks. So for a moment, if you look, you can do like this. The price is ranging, so for this one, no trade. For this one, I put a sign, okay, it's in my language. If it's gonna close above 54300, then then this one can be a buy. So I'm not in a trade here. I just said that if it's gonna close above this area, also you see that here we have like a resistance, then the price may continue to go up to this area, then to it's here 992, and then this one at 200. Let's see, GJ went up beautifully in the morning in the London session. And now let's see what the price will do in this area, if it's going to create a support to continue to go up, or it's going to reject from here and then the price will come back down. So I will watch this one too. Now I'm trying to see EURJPY, what is doing. Let's see on the 30-minute. It's like trying to create here. If you look on the 15-minute, a minor support for the price to continue to go up. And I'm gonna wait 6 minutes to see how this candle is gonna close, and maybe I'm gonna give a buy to EURJPY. So please don't, when you are trading, please don't use more than 2% of your balance. And after you make profits, from that profits you can increase your lot size. From 2% you can go to 3% and so on. But first you have to be in profits, and then to risk more. So yes, EURJPY is trying to continue to go up. I'm expecting the price to go to 900. So if you are watching EURJPY, keep that in mind, that the price will go to 900. But I am waiting here to see what the price want to do. So I need a confirmation for this one to take a buy. And if we look left, all the time you have to look on the left side. Let's see on the 4-hour. Let's see if the price will reject from here or will come to 900, but I'm pretty sure that the price will continue to go up. So when you see a pair, for example, EURJPY, don't rush, because you saw that starting from 121, 122, the price went straight up, and you are here somewhere in the middle, and you say, oh, definitely the price will continue to go up to 123. Don't rush to take a trade, because you don't know when the price can create a resistance and then to come back down and hit your stop loss. So be careful all the time when you trade, because this is not like a game, it's something very serious. So now I want to see where the price wants to go to make a retest. Maybe it's going to make it here, maybe here it's just going down to make a wick and the price to continue to go up. We don't know, we have to wait. because if you look on the 15-minute, price give us a very weak confirmation that the price wants to go up. This one is exactly like this. Also, if you look, we have these rejections here. The price created a support like this. You can put it's like supply and demand. That means support and resistance. You have to look all the time where the price rejected. For example, here, that's why we are rejecting this zone, because here we have these wicks. Here we have the price that created a support. Again, here the price rejected again. All the time you have to look at this, where the price rejected, and like this you can predict where the price can go or reject. So for a moment the GJ is rejecting this area, but maybe later on it's gonna break it and then it will go up. Let's go back to EJ. You see, again, let's go back to 15, a very weak confirmation. I was waiting for this candle to be at least like the red one as a size, to give me a confirmation that here it can create a minor support and then the price continue to go up. And that's why I'm not rushing to take a trade. And also don't forget that it's the second day of the week. Also it's starting it just started a new month, and also we have the elections, and we have to let the market to settle down a little bit. So all the time you have to look for confirmation. In this, let's say, in this game of trading, you must have discipline. If you don't have discipline, then you cannot trade. And like this, I started to be very consistent and to have winning trade, because I have a trading plan and I respect my trading plan. So I'm not rushing to take trades. You see, maybe it's coming down here at 486, maybe to retest again this area to create I mean, this I am waiting for, to create a support to go up, or maybe if it's gonna break this area, that means that the price will continue to go down. Let's see, eurocad now. EURCAD can be a sell. It can be a sell and to retest again this area at 692, but also if it's gonna break this area at 300, then the price will go up. I want to make them a little bit smaller, the candles, to see. Let's see, GJ. Let's check here the strength. So GBP, it's strong. GPY, it's weak. AUD strong, USD weak, and the euro, it's somewhere in the middle. So in this case with GJ, for example, then the price must go up. Now it's like ranging on the 15 and 30 minute. But the price may reject from here, maybe break this one, the 227, where we have the wick, and then the price to continue to go up. So for this one we have a weak confirmation that the price will go up, and I am waiting for a support to be created and then to have a buy. EURCAD, I am waiting to see if it's gonna come in this area to have a buy, or if not, then the price will continue to go down to retest again this week at 638. Let's see how it looks on the 30 minute. And the 4 hour, it's rejecting this area, and also we have these rejections. Here the price created a support, here created a minor support. So all the time before taking a trade, and when you are doing your trading plan, you have to look all the time on the left side to see what the price did before. And like this you can find out where you have your support or resistance. This one, it's ranging. I really don't like it. GU, because it's with the USD, I'm not trading, but this one looks like it may come around this area to retest it again. GBPAUD, it's going down. USD CAD, it's continued to go down. That means that CAD is strong. And now we are waiting for EURJPY to see if it can give us a confirmation for a buy. So this is what I am waiting for now. For the price to create support, give me the confirmation, and then buy. So I think I told you yesterday, guys, that in about 2 weeks from now, I'm gonna start a Zoom session with you, and like this we can interact and we can communicate better. And I want you to tell me also your ideas, what pairs you like to trade, and to make some analysis together. And also, if you want to check my group from Telegram, you can go to my Instagram page at BloomFX Signals, and there you have the link. So let's see what EJ is trying to do now. We still have 20 minutes for this 1 hour to close. In this game of trading, all the time you have to be patient and wait for the price to give you a confirmation. That's why I told you I'm not in a rush to take a trade. Although I had 2 trades in the morning, also I give these 2 signals on the Telegram group. We took profits together, and now I am waiting to see if the market can give me another opportunity to take a buy or a sell, and also to tell you when to entry, at what price, where you put your stop loss, and also where you put your take profit. So on the 30-minute EJ looks like it's trying to reject this zone at 500, also where we had this let's say like resistance here. Here we had the wick, here we had the price where created support, here resistance, and so on. So let's see how the price will react on this area. Let's see 15 minutes. We still have 4 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. Let's check also the other pairs. Euro NZD again looks like in a range area. I don't like it. This week it will be very difficult to take trades, and I told you why. Because we have the elections, and also it's the beginning of the new month. So this week it's gonna be so and so, and starting from next week the market will give us a direction to catch pips. this on the 30-minute. Let's see GJ. It's doing the same thing like EURJPY because they are connected with the GPY. Let's go back to the currency strength meter. Yeah, it doesn't have too much power, but it's just a small retracement, probably for the price to create a support and bounce back up again. Or maybe because of this move, it was a big move. Let's see, at the GJ, here we had the 58 pips move, and now maybe the price is just ranging, and maybe later on it's gonna move either up or down. But I'm pretty sure that the price will continue to go up. Let's go back to EJ. The new 15-minute candle just started. And now let's see what the price wants to do. So I think we have to wait also this 15-minute. I mean for this 1 hour candle to close, and then we still have 1 hour for the 4-hour candle to close to see if it's gonna reject from here and the price will come back down again. We have to wait to see where the price wants to close, because like this it can give us the direction. Either to go up or down. So maybe the price will reject from here, and then it will continue to go down to retest again this area. We don't know. That's why all the time you have to wait before you go in the trade. But I'm pretty sure that the EURJPY will continue to go up. So this 4-hour candle, most probably it's gonna close either here or here at 900. So I'm waiting for a confirmation to have a buy. So I'm looking for a buy. Let's go until this 15-minute candle will close. Let's see also some other pairs. Euro AUD, this one I told you, if it's gonna break this area, then it's gonna continue to go down. If not, then it's gonna go up at 600. I'm saying this for those that they are trading this pair. This one will continue to go up. I don't find anything. GJ, it's on the range, on the 30-minute and 15. It's trying to break this area. Let's see if it's gonna break it. So then if it's gonna break it, then it will continue to this area. Maybe to have a retest, and then the price to shoot up again. Or maybe from here it's gonna create a resistance, support, sorry, and then the price to continue to go up. And these ones I don't really like right now. So I will go back to EURJPY. And let's go on the 15 minutes. On the 15 minute, it's trying to create like a minor support, but let's see. So for this pair, we have to wait 10 minutes, and I will be right back. So I am back. I was watching also the chat and somebody was asking me about eurocad, I think. Eurocad, yes. About eurocad, I said that I am waiting, as you can see here, this yellow line. If it's crossing this line, then for me it's a buy, and I can have a buy starting from here at 328. For a moment, on the 15-minute, 30-minute and 1 hour, the price is trying to go back down to retest this area at 700. So I will put also here a line for you to see it. And also it's very important to wait to see how the 4-hour candle will close, and also the 1-hour candle, how it will close. Now it's just started a new 1-hour candle, and I told you it may come down to this area to retest it again, but for me I am waiting for the price to come back up and to have a buy. Let's go back to EURJPY. EURJPY. It's trying to create a support, and this is what I am waiting. Let's see on the 30-minute. And yes, if I will see something, I will tell you when I will enter in a trade, and you will see it because I will put it here on the screen. Let's see 15 minutes. And if you take a trade with me, please don't use more than 2% from your balance, because also I explained to you that is the beginning of the month and I don't a support. And if I see a support created, then I will take a buy. And let me measure. And we can have a stop loss of 20 pips. And the take profit could be at 30 pips, but we have to wait a little bit. You see, if we look on the daily, we have this issue here where we have many rejections. You see these wicks here. Maybe I will do it bigger for you. And that's why the price reacted like this around this area. Maybe the price will reject from here and then it's gonna continue to go down. We don't know. That's why you have to wait all the time to have a confirmation. Because I don't like also, if you look on the 4-hour, the candle tried to go up and then rejected from here. And now let's see if it's gonna come back down here to this zone at 193, or it's gonna create here like a support and then the price to continue to push up. And now for me, if I'm looking on the 15-minute, the price is trying to create a support, and maybe we can have a buy. I will enter right here, and you can see if I will try to see if I'm right. I have a buy now, as you can see with the green, and the enter it's right here, and the take profit is at almost 900,895. So if you took this trade with me, I hope that you didn't use a bigger lot size, because you never know what the price will do. This is just my idea, and if you want to try it with a smaller lot size. And we still have 8 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and I'm expecting the price to create a support, and then the price to continue to push up. Let's see the 30-minute. The 30-minute looks like it's trying to reject this area. And let's see if the price, let's go also on the 15-minute. If this 15, I said 5-minute, if I don't like how this 5-minute candle will look, let's see, maybe I will close the trade, but I'm very confident that it's gonna go up. If it's not gonna go up, then I'm gonna close my trade maybe with 2 or 3 pips loss. Euro AUD, it's trying to push down. I took this idea because also if you look on the currencies trade method, here we have euro, which is strong, and GPY it's weak. That's why I took also this trade. But these signs are only what's happening in that hour candle. But I am more sure because I see what the price action is doing, and also I help myself with the support and resistance. So I was expecting the price to create a support, and then the price to continue to push up, at least to hit again this week. So we still have 5 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and I want to see how it's gonna close this 15-minute candle. We still have 3 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. And let's see what the price wants to do. If it cannot go further up, then I'm going to close my trade. Until that, let's check also some other pairs. Not on the 15 minute, on the 1 hour. Euro AUD, it's going down. EURJPY is trying to reject this support to go up. Euro GBP is trying to break this area and to continue to go down. Eurocad, I told you, CAD is strong right now. Let's see here. Where is? Yeah, it's stronger than Euro, and it's trying to push back down here around this area to retest again this area. Euro NZD is trying to break this support to continue to go down. GJ, it's doing almost the same thing like EURJPY, it's trying to push up. And let's see if this one can break this area. But if you look, it looks like it's in a range zone. So maybe EURJPY it's doing the same thing. But I really expect the price to continue to push up for this one. So we have 2 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and let's see how it's gonna close. If we're gonna continue to keep our trade, or we're gonna close it. So if you look on the 15-minute, this blue candle, it's bigger than the red one. And if it's gonna stay like this, then the next one, it's gonna start come down and maybe to push up. So we have to be patient. You have to know how to manage your trade. Also, yesterday in the live stream, I said that in about 2 weeks, I want to launch also a section where you can learn how to trade and to give you some tips also with the support and resistance, price action, supply and demand. Okay, it's almost the same thing like support and resistance, but there are many things and tips to learn in Forex. I mean, every day you learn in Forex. Come on, EURJPY, you are stuck here, don't want to move. Give us a sign that you want to go up. We want to make pips here. I think GJ is going up. It's trying to break this, let's say, like a little box here. And for this pair can be valid, where is it? I'll put it here. For this can be valid buys after the, if it's gonna break 136 to 50, or maybe it's gonna go down, but I see more sells than buys. I see more buys than sells, sorry. And here could be valid sells, sell at 1. So you see we are in a range here. Let me do this again. It's like a buy stop or a sell stop. But still for this one I'm expecting the price to push up, because I see more, I mean after this big move, I'm expecting the price to continue to go up. Let's go back to EURJPY. You see, look stuck here. It's like the market, it's freezing now. And we still have 9 minutes for this half an hour to close. And if it doesn't give me a good direction, then maybe I'm going to close the trade. But I'm still thinking that the price should continue to go up, because we broke this area where we had the consolidation yesterday and where we don't took any trade. This happened in the London session, and now I'm expecting that in the New York session the price to continue to go up, at least to hit this week here. To retest it again. So for the guys that they are already in my group, on the Telegram group, if you have any questions, please send there a message and I will answer to you. Anything, if you want to make some analysis on a pair, or I don't know, anything regarding Forex. So we have 5 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. And the price, look that it's trying to push up, but it doesn't have volume, and that's why I don't like it. I really want to see how this 30-minute candle will close. So if I don't like it, I will close the trade. Euro USD is trying to push up. EURJPY the same. This is on the, it was on the 15-minute. Euro AUD is trying to break this support, and now it's trying to go back down. EURJPY, it's gonna come to this area, maybe create retest, and then the price to continue to go up. Euro GBP is trying to go down. That means that the GJ will go up, but still it's in this range. So I told you, if it's gonna break this area, then it's gonna have a valid buy. If it's gonna come back and it's gonna break and close, under this support, then it's going to be a valid sell. Let's go back to EURJPY, and I will leave it like this on the 15 minutes. I want to see what gold it's doing. Gold is pushing up. Maybe it's gonna break this one and come to retest this area at 1910. So that means that USD it's weak. Yeah, I really don't like how EURJPY it's right now. Let's see how this half-an-hour candle will close. It's like rejecting this area here at 585, so it looks like it doesn't want to break it. So I told you for EURJPY I was expecting the price to come at least here where we have the wick to retest it again, and I'm still thinking that it's gonna do like this, and then to come up to 895 around this area. The new 30-minute candle just started. So now the price is trying to go up, like I said. If you want, you can put your risk to be smaller, or if you don't feel comfortable, because this is the most important, you can go with the price at the break even and you don't lose anything, even if the price can come back down here. You have to know how to manage your trades, but when I will start in about 2 weeks the new program with the learning, I will explain you everything if you want to join. That means that you will know where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profit, how many trades you can take during a day, and so on. So if you don't feel comfortable, you can close it also here. You have also some profits if if you had the entry in the same time with me. If not, you can put at the break even and you wait to see what is happening. If the price will come back down, that it's okay, because you didn't lose anything. You protect your money. And if it's going to continue to go up, then we have a successful and profitable trade, which I call it today. So we still have 9 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and I'm really expecting the price to continue to go up. If I don't see something, if I see that the price doesn't want to go up, then I will close my trade. And also, if you took the trade in the same time with me, you are in profits. Let's go to see what GJ is doing. GJ tried to break here, but it couldn't, and it went back down to this range zone. You see also in the 15-minute, 30-minute, so we can have a valid buy or sell only if it breaks this area. Euro AUD, it's almost in the same place. EURJPY, it's trying to go back up to retest this area. Euro GBP, it's almost in the same area. Eurocad is trying to push down, but still, if I'm looking better, it looks like here it's on the range zone. And also if I put it in the 30-minute, so I told you this this one I didn't took a trade because I'm expecting the price to break this area and then to have a buy. Euro NZD is trying to go back down, and let's go to EURJPY where we have the trade. And yes, most probably I'm gonna close the trade because I don't like how this candle it's moving. So if you took this trade, I'm pretty sure that you managed your trade and you didn't lose anything, because also you secured your profits. And I was really expecting for EURJPY to continue to go up, to retest again this area and maybe to go to almost 900. But I can see that it doesn't want to do this. So we still have 20 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. And 4 minutes for this 15-minute candle. It really doesn't want to move. Well, it's fine because we didn't lose anything. We just had a try. Yeah, the price doesn't want to go up, so I'm gonna close the trade. I didn't lose anything, although I was in a very small profit. Now the price, if it wants to go up, it's fine. I just closed my trade. It was just an idea, and I was expecting the price to come and retest this area at 750 and then at almost 900. But it looks like the price is rejecting this area because maybe we have this. Let's take this one to do like this. It's here where the price rejected, then created a support, then the price break it through and came back down here, and now the price wanted to go up but it couldn't. And now that means that if this one couldn't close above these candles, that means that it cannot go up. So first of all, you have to learn how to manage your risk. And you see, it's good that we closed our trade, because now EURJPY is trying to go back down. So for me now it's like it's in a range. It doesn't want to do anything. So GJ, I think it's doing the same thing. So yeah, after the big move, now they are in a small range, and we have to wait for the price to break either up or down. So now I really don't like EURJPY, and I am waiting for the price to give me a confirmation. So I think the best thing is to wait for the 4-hour candle to close, because like this can give us a direction. I will be right back. Now we still have 7 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and you see this big rejection from here. It's very good that we manage our trade and we didn't lose anything. Also, we have some pips in profit. So when I will start this session with learning, I will explain you how to manage your trades, where to entry, where to have your stop loss, when to move your stop loss, what lot size you have to use, and so on. When I will start this session, I will announce you, and you are welcome to join. Also, very soon we're gonna launch a new system, Trading Ringer. The guys from the group chat, they have already read the message, and in about 2 weeks also we're gonna launch this new program, and it's like you can copy my account and you just wait because that system is working for you and making pips. So I will tell you more about this one when it's ready, because now in this moment it's already in test. So when I will be ready also with this new project, I will tell you. So it looks like EURJPY, it's rejecting from this area, and let's see where it wants to close. This should be here. And let's see where this 4-hour candle wants to close. We still have 4 minutes. But if you look on the 1 hour, it's doing barcodes. I call them like this because in this moment it's on the range. Let's go to GJ. GJ did the same thing. I said that this could be a possible buy after 136.250. This one, the price went up. It couldn't close above, and then the price went back down in. So for this one also you have to wait, because it's in the range after this big move that happened in the London session. But I'm still expecting GJ to continue to go up. This one is in a big range, GBP New Zealand. You see, you have to look all the time for the support and resistance. This one is in a big range on the 30-minute, and for this one also We have to wait to break either up or down. GU, it's with the US dollar. I don't trade, but I'm just looking, and I say the same thing, that the price may continue to go back up. This one can retest at this area 700, and then the price to continue to go down. GBPJPY, it's pushing up. And GCAD again, let me delete this one, and to make it clear for you, the price is ranging, and you have to wait for the price to break either up or down. Sometimes if you look at the price action, it can be very easy for you to understand it, and to be easier for you also to have a trade. So now the new 4-hour candle will start very soon, and I will leave it like this on the 4-hour chart to see where it's gonna close. If it's gonna close above, then the price may continue to go up, like I said before, and also for the price to fill this week that it happened before. So if we look on the 1 hour, the price may continue to go up to fill this week, and maybe the price to push even more. So guys, if you want to join my group, you can go to Instagram page at Bloomefix Signals, and there you have the link where you can join. Also you can find us on Twitter, also you can find us on TradingView, where we post our ideas, and also every day I am doing here live stream, and if I see also some trades, I will take them. If not, I will explain you some things, how you can take a trade, where you can find your support or resistance, where you can put your take profit, and so on. So if you want to join our Telegram group, I told you, you can go to Instagram page, and there you find the link. So now EURJPY on the 4 hour, it's doing exactly what I thought, that it's going up. It will continue to fill this week, here. Also for this one we have to wait to create a support for us to give us the confirmation that the price will continue to go up, but I'm really sure that it's gonna do this. Even if I'm so sure, I'm not gonna take another trade because I took it earlier, and that was my idea before, and it didn't happen how I like it, so I closed the trade also with some pips in profit. I knew how to manage my trade, and I think that you do the same thing after me. So I will have another small look on the chart, and then I will head off, and I will come back tomorrow with new signals in the morning, and on the New York session I will come here to do a live stream. And if you want to join, and if you like the stream, please subscribe and give a like. That means that you appreciate the work that I'm doing, giving signals and coming here every day for you to learn how to trade in Forex. EURCAD, it's in the same situation. I said earlier that it may continue to go down if we break this area. Now it may come back up to fill this week, retest this area, and then to come back down again. But if you look here in this box, as you can see, we are in a range zone. With the GJ, sorry, I told you that the price, if it's gonna break this area, then starting from here could be a valid buy, and this could be the target at 500. But still it's on the range, and that's why I'm not taking the trade. This one, GBP and ZD, it's ranging, but I'm expecting the price to break up. GU is trying to continue to go up to retest this area at 234. GBP AUD, it's trying to break this area, but I think it's gonna come up again to retest this zone. GBPJPY, it's gonna continue to go up, and GCAD, it's on a range, but it may go down. So yes, EURJPY, it's doing exactly what I said. It's trying to go back up to fill this week, and also to fill this week that happened here before, to tap 760, and then maybe the price to tap again this zone at 890. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I am waiting for you also tomorrow, and take care of yourself.